Hi friends, let's see what's hiding under the scoops. It's the number 1. 1. I know where this goes. It goes here. Number 1. Let's see what's next. It's the number 2. 2. It goes here. Number 2. Let's find another. It's the number 3. 3. It goes here. Number 3. It's the number 4. 4. I know where this goes. It goes here. Number 4. Let's see what we find. It's the number 5. 5. It goes here. Number 5. It's the number 6. 6. I know where this goes. It goes here. Number 6. We found numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some numbers are still missing. Let's check the scoops again. It's the number 7. 7. It goes here. Number 7. It's the number 8. 8. I know where this goes. It goes here. Number 8. It's the number 9. 9. It goes here. Number 9. It's the number 10. 10. I know where this goes. It goes here. Number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found numbers 1 to 10. 2 more scoops. Nothing here. Nothing here. I know. 1 scoop. 2 scoops. An ice cream cone. That was fun. Let's do it again.